Hello, and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the fourth grade concept of comparing fractions. This is standard 4.3D in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 22 of the 2025 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. All right, so we need to find a fraction that is greater than 5/4. So this is what I want to do to kind of show us this. I'm going to draw just a line down here. This is going to represent a number line. Let's get that going. There we go. And let's make this right here 0. And let's make this 1. And I do it like that because we're looking for greater than 1, but 5/4, I don't think that's going to be much greater than 1. So I'm just going to put that as 1, 0. That's this 1. And this is what I want to do. Since we're doing this right here, let's just go ahead and just make these fourths. Right, let's go 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. This 1 is going to be 4/4. And then that next fourth over is going to be 5/4. So just a hair past 1/2. Okay, so we're looking for now something that is going to be greater than this. So something that is on this line here or greater. So let's take a look. 13/12. Oof, 13/12. Let's see if we can make these fourths look like 12ths, okay? So I'm going to take my 5/4, and I want to generate an equivalent fraction to make 12ths. I know 4 times 3 makes 12. And so that's going to be 15/12. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite this 5/4 as 15/12. This 4/4 is going to be 12/12 because that's equal to 1/2, right? So then I've got 13/12, 14/12. So here's my 13/12. There's my 14/12. But you notice my 13/12 is not larger than, it's not greater than 5/4. It's actually less than. It is greater than 1/2, but it's less than 5/4. Now, we've eliminated that. Quite honestly, we can go and eliminate 2 others right now and get to the answer, or what should be the answer. We still need to verify. Because take a look at this. Look at this 2/2. 2/2 is right here. Whenever you have a numerator and denominator that are exactly the same, that equals 1/2. And so whether we call it 1, 4/4, 12/12, 2/2, 8/8, whatever you want to do, that's going to be right there. And so that is actually less than 1 as well. And so that is not even close, or that's less than the 5/4. It's right equal to 1. Now, let's look at our 5/10. Now, 5/10 has a larger denominator, but when we get a larger denominator, that doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be a larger fraction. We need more pieces to be picked. That's the 5 in the numerator spot. So 5/2, we can actually generate an equivalent fraction for that because 5 and 10 can both be divided by 5, right? And so that's going to be 1/2. Well, that's right here. That 2/4 is sitting in my 1/2 spot, so that's 5/10. 1/2. So that's not even greater than 1. And since 5 isn't greater than 10, it's not even greater than 1, so that can't possibly be it. So those are the 2 we can immediately eliminate. Let's check our 4/3. Now, we need to get our 4/3. We've already done our 5/4 into 12. Let's get this into 12. So that's going to be 4/4. It's going to be 16/12. And look, it's going to be right there, just one little bit past. So 4/3 is just a hair bigger than my 5/4 because 16/12 is larger than 15/12. So my answer is D.